Assalamualaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel, The Maths Boot. Today I am here with class 9, chapter 2 polynomials from new NCERT textbook. In this video we are going to solve exercise 2.4 question 9. Okay. Here let us see what the question 9 says. Verify the following. Okay. Verify in the sense LHS should be equal to RHS. These answers we have to get. This x cube plus y cube should be equal to x plus y, x square minus xy plus y square. This we have to prove. The given thing we have to prove. Okay. To prove this, what we will take? We all know that. We know formula. I'll take the help of formula to solve this. Which formula we know? We know the formula x cube plus y cube. Okay. X cube plus y cube. No. X cube plus y whole cube. Okay. I'll write one more time. X plus y whole cube formula we know. Just now we have used x cube. In previous problem we have used the same formula by using here x terms they have given. So I have written in x term. What is the formula? X plus y whole cube. X cube plus y cube plus 3xy x plus y. This is the formula. Okay. X plus y whole cube is equals to x cube plus y cube plus 3xy x plus y. Now we have to prove this now. So what I'll do, this x plus y whole cube I'll keep as it is. This part I'm bringing here. So this plus will become minus 3xy x plus y. Okay, this complete part I've brought. So it becomes minus is equal to what remains? X cube plus y cube remains as it is. Okay. Now, what is common here? We can see here also x plus y is there, here also x plus y is there. So, I'll take x plus y as common. I took x plus y common. What remains? 3 times x plus y is here. Is it? So, 1 time is common. How many times remains? 2 times. That is x plus y square remains. Minus, already this is common. I have written outside. So, it is gone. What remains? Minus 3xy remains. This side I'll keep x cube plus y cube as it is. Now, here x plus y let it be as it is. Here we all know a plus b whole square formula. A plus b whole square formula. A square plus 2ab or a square plus b square plus 2ab. This formula we have learned. So, I'll use this formula. X square plus y square plus 2xy. This I have splitted this formula complete. Minus sign as it is. 3xy as it is equal to x cube plus y cube. This side I had kept as it is. Now x plus y we will keep as it is. Here x square plus y square also will be as it is. From 3xy if we remove 2xy, what we get? Minus xy. Correct? We get minus xy. So is equals to x cube plus y cube. Now I will write in a proper form. First I'll write this side x cube plus y cube. Okay. Is equals to x plus y. Then what is here? X square. I will write minus xy first as per the proof. Plus y square. We got the answer. This only they have told us to find answer. We can compare. See. X cube, y cube, x plus y, x square minus xy plus y square. I didn't do here any step. I just wrote this here and this side numbers here. X plus y, x square minus xy plus y square. So this way we have to prove this. Same way we will do the second question. Here by using minus formula. We know that what is the minus formula for solving minus problem? What is the formula? All minus. X minus y whole cube. Okay. X cube minus y cube minus 3xy x minus y. This is the formula. By using this formula we have to prove this. Verify this. This should be equal to this. Okay. Now what I'll do? This let it be as it is, x minus y, or I can take first this, then I can bring this as it is. We can solve x minus y whole cube. Okay. Minus if I bring here it becomes plus 3xy x minus y. Okay, only I am changing this sign. This is the complete term, so I bought. What remains here? X cube minus y cube. Okay, one more time I'll repeat this step so that you should not get confused at the last. I'll write same thing, x cube minus y cube is equal to x minus y whole cube plus 3xy x minus y. Okay, I had repeated the same step, just here and there I did. Now x cube minus y cube I'll keep as it is, right? This side we can see x minus y common. So I'll write x minus y as common outside. If I had taken common, 3 times was there. If 1 time is common, then how many times will remain? 2 times. X minus y square will remain. Here plus x minus y is already common. So what remains? Plus 3xy. Okay. So here x cube minus y cube as it is. X minus y also as it is. A minus b whole square formula, that is a square minus 2ab plus b square. This is the formula which we split it, plus 3xy as it is. Now x cube minus y cube as it is. This x minus y outside as it is. X square I'll write. Then minus 2x plus 3x. From 3xy, 2xy if we remove, it will be 1xy, but bigger number sign. So plus xy plus y square as it is. This only they had told to prove. You can see here x cube minus y cube is equals to x minus y x square plus xy plus y square. So in this way we have to solve, verify these questions. Here we had completed question number 9. In my next video I am coming up with the question number 10. So do like and share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.